Primary productivity in plants and algae, herbivores for energy. Species richness tells how many species over time makes up a community. Different organisms doing fine, acquiring resources at the same place and same time. Different populations compete and stay on a grind, and other factors that are limiting and second control from density, food, water, and shelter decline is what causes organisms to fight. Populations increase and go boom boom when they J-shape. They level off when they get to the carrying capacity. The K, our selection, they do this, make babies and say deuces. Two species compete for the same space and one is competitively excluded. The fundamental niches where you could be living, the realized niches where you actually exist in. Invasive species can come in and thrive, outcompete native species and cause them to die. And if there's no predators to keep them in line, then they can reproduce quickly and take over in a short time. Kudzu in the southeast, lionfish all over the Atlantic, zebra mussels in the Great Lakes, Asian carbs come take over the Mississippi. Humans try to keep invasives out of ballast water, respect the native species and their habitat. Relative abundance, how many there are in an area. Genetic diversity helps our population survive better. Some of the individuals survive, pass their genes on forever. Disturbances can change the existence fast, but an intermediate level is better. Keystone species have an impact that's disproportionate to other members. The ecosystem may collapse without them, they may reach their end, and they help other organisms out like beavers who build the dams and create new habitat for aquatic organisms. Invasive species can come in and thrive, outcompete native species and cause them to die. And if there are no predators to keep them in line, then they can reproduce quickly and take over in a short time. Kudzu in the southeast, lionfish all up the Atlantic, zebra mussels in the Great Lakes, Asian carbs taking over the Mississippi. Humans try to keep invasives out of ballast water, respect the native species and their habitat. Population dynamics over time can be changed by parasites, competition, predation, mutualism, and commensalism. Now logistic, S-shape, logistic, N equals K, logistic, no growth rate, logistic, limited factor density. Humans live life to the finest, greenhouse gases trapping inside, CO2, water vapor, methane, send heat down to the ground. Pollution causes warming, NOx causes acid rain, N causes eutrophication. See, the noxious waste is released into the rivers from the streets. Waste can also come from big agricultural farms and all their feces. HUMANs can cause destruction to make things things. But YOUCAN can live your life responsibly. Invasive species can come in and thrive, outcompete native species and cause them to die. And if there's no predators to keep them in line, then they can reproduce quickly and take over in a short time. Kudzu in the southeast, lionfish all up the Atlantic, zebra mussels in the Great Lakes, Asian carbs come and take over the Mississippi. Humans try to keep invasives out of ballast water, respect the native species and their habitat. Primary productivity in plants and algae, herbivores for energy.